So here we have the Steve Madden men's casual dress everyday leather belt. This is an interchangeable belt, and the colors I have here are black and brown. This belt is a great transition belt to go from casual day wear to work wear or even occasional dress wear. It pretty much will become your favorite go-to everyday belt. It could be easily used on jeans and converted into a men's dress belt. It's pretty solid and stable, and they stand by their product. Measuring the belt should be made from the inside of the buckle to the third hole from the belt tip. The bonded leather is smooth to the touch and solid in construction, so treat yourself to a handsome, sharp-looking belt that can be changed with a flick of the buckle in 360 to 2 different colors. Many colors are available, so pick one or pick a few. This is the Steve Madden men's dress casual everyday belt.